Today I want to talk about the heartbreaking situation unfolding along the Guadalupe River in Texas. As of July 4th, at least 13 people have lost their lives, and the search is still on for 20 girls who are missing after devastating floods swept through the area. This disaster started when days of relentless rain caused the river to burst its banks, hitting nearby communities hard. Entire neighborhoods are underwater, homes have been destroyed, and hundreds of people have been forced to leave everything behind. Emergency crews are working around the clock. Local police, firefighters, even the National Guard. They're using boats, helicopters, and drones to look for survivors, especially focusing on the places where the current was strongest and debris piled up. What's especially tough about this tragedy is that many of the missing are believed to be part of a group of girls who were out camping when the floodwaters rose. Families are gathering at shelters and community centers, anxiously waiting for any word. You can feel the heartbreak and hope in the air. Officials say the situation is still really fluid, literally and figuratively. Meteorologists are warning that more rain could be on the way, which means rescue efforts might get even harder in the coming days. The Texas governor and local leaders have promised every resource available to help with rescue and recovery, and federal help is on the way. The Guadalupe River has seen floods before, but this is one of the deadliest in recent memory. For now, the focus is on finding the missing and helping survivors get the support they need. If you're in the area, please take warning seriously and stay safe. And for everyone watching, keep those affected in your thoughts.